Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix mobile optimization with WordPress, complete guide step by step clearly. To fix mobile optimization with WordPress, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance section in the sidebar. Select Themes to review your active theme. Check if your theme is responsive, as many modern themes are built for mobile optimization. If your theme isn't responsive, consider switching to a mobile-friendly theme from the WordPress theme repository. Next, go to the Customize option under the Appearance menu. Here, you can adjust various settings to enhance your site's mobile experience. Look for the Site Identity section, and ensure that your logo and site title are mobile-friendly. Then, check the Menus option to make sure navigation is clear and accessible on mobile devices. Use the Widgets section to position mobile-specific widgets and organize content efficiently. Next, focus on your content by reviewing all posts and pages. Make sure the text is legible on smaller screens with appropriate font sizes. Optimize images by ensuring they are scaled correctly for mobile view. Consider implementing plugins like Smush or Short Pixel to compress images without sacrificing quality. Check your site's loading speed using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. Address any issues that might be slowing down your site, such as large files or unoptimized code. To improve user experience, reduce the number of plugins you use to minimize bloat. Install and configure a caching plugin, like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache, to enhance loading times. Review your CSS and JavaScript for mobile compatibility by using media queries. Test your site's layout across multiple devices or use browser tools to simulate different screen sizes. To streamline the mobile experience, consider using a mobile-specific plugin like WTouch. Make sure to check that all interactive elements, such as buttons and forms, are easy to tap. Finally, run comprehensive tests to ensure that everything functions smoothly on mobile devices. Implement feedback from real users, as their insights can reveal areas for improvement. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your WordPress site is optimized for mobile users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.